Back to AK Logics. In the previous class, we have discussed about how to set up the Linux environment. In that, I have stopped the video in the middle of the installing the Linux Ubuntu into the VirtualBox. This is the continuation of that particular video. Previous videos, we have also discussed about the how to install the VirtualBox and then how to install the Ubuntu Linux and then how to set up the VirtualBox and also how to configure the VirtualBox and also how to add the Ubuntu Linux into the VirtualBox and how to install the Ubuntu Linux in VirtualBox. This is the continuation of the previous video. So if you haven't watched those videos, I recommend you guys to watch those videos. Then only you need to continue. Okay. After I stopped it in the middle, right? In the previous video, I have stopped in the middle, right? This is the continuation of that particular part. After everything has been done, after a few minutes, okay. After a few minutes, it is asking you to whether to restart or continue testing. You need to click the restart now. Okay, just click on the restart now. Just a second. See, the system will getting restarted. The system will get restarted. You can see the system is getting restarted. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so it is asking me to whether please remove the installation media and then enter. Okay, I'm going to, sorry, just for a while. It is asking me to remove the installation medium and then press enter. Okay, you need to press the enter whenever this particular message is visible to you. You need to press the enter. I'm now pressing the enter. Then the installation window will be removed. Okay, so it's going to take a time. Just wait a few minutes. Okay, don't be hurry and worry. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. Why? Because it is going to take some time. So it is going to visible to you like this. Okay, it is going to visible to you like this. Okay, I'm going to pause the video again for a while. Why? Because any transition in the change of the one window to another window, I'm going to show you that. Okay, I'm going to pause the video again. At last it is going to visible like this. Okay, this is my username. Okay, and when you are going to tap this, okay, when you are going to tap this, it is going to ask you to enter the password. You should enter the password which you have created earlier in the above process, and then you need to, after entering the password, you need to click on the enter. Okay, there is no any option to click over there. You should click on the enter after entering your password. Okay, after this is the Linux environment. Now, till now, what we have done. So there is a something over here. You need to click next and then skip, and then just a second. I will see those things and will tell you. Just a second. Click on next. Okay. After clicking on next, just leave it for the skip for now. Sorry. Just wait a second. Okay. After just a second. So skip for now. Okay, you just click on the skip, which is visible to above, which is visible to you above. Okay, now click on no. No, don't share system data. Okay, click on no. Okay, click on no. No, don't share system data. Click on next, and then click on finish. Okay, till now what we have done is we have installed the VirtualBox and also we have installed the Ubuntu Linux, and also we have set up the Linux environment, and we have created a virtual machine to our process. Okay, now we are going to install the VLSI tools. Okay, from now we are going to install VLSI tools. Till now we have set up the Linux environment. Installing the VLSI tools we are going to discuss in the further classes. Okay, this is the complete info about the VirtualBox and then creation of Linux. Okay, in the upcoming videos we are going to discuss about how we are going to install the tools of VLSI and also how we are going to run those tools with an example. Okay, thank you. How we are going to uh, shut down this particular mission means you just simply click on file and then close. It is going to ask you whether to power off the mission. Just click on the power off. Okay, that's it. It is going to shut down. Okay, when we are going to open again, okay, you need to start. Okay, when you are going into the VirtualBox, there you can see the Ubuntu virtual mission. Okay, when you are going to click on the start, when you are going to click on the start, then the mission will get started. Okay, then the mission will get again started. Our work will be continued from that particular point. Okay, it's like a shutdowning of PC. Okay, see, here is the icon down over here. Okay, that there will be a pop-up will be displayed in the uh, this particular region. Okay, we need to open this. Now the system again will be started, and also it is going to ask you to enter the credentials like our normal PC, how we are going to work. Okay, S- this is how it is going to work. Okay, okay, this is going to ask you to enter the names. Okay, this is how it is going to work. Thank you.